Alright, PYT one of our 4-box football mixer. Let's go ahead and do the serial number filler. And the names and the numbers. Texas needs it 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Tips on top, t-shirts on the bottom. Nine times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 2 on top, 10 on the bottom. Two with the 1 spot. Oh, 2. We're about to hit you 101. The 1 and the 2 spot. Alright, what should we do first? Let's do some limited. Alright, here we go. Oh, we have points. Son of a 400 though. These points are actually still pretty good. It's probably better than most of the sticker autos in here, so it's actually not probably too bad. Here we go. The Chargers. Come on. Woo! Herbert RPA. Number to 35. Going up to the 7th spot. James Wilkins. Wow, that is awesome. James, nice hit there. Number to 149, that goes to the 2 spot. Dibs. And we have a Derek Carr and Drew Lock, Raiders, and the Broncos. So we'll do that random afterwards. This is Bosa. I'm gonna put James Wilkins' name right here. Alrighty. Alright, here we go. What's up next? Let's get some more big hits. Make this an awesome mixer. Now let's do playbook. We have another serial number card right here. The Jalen Hurts. And it's low. Alright, awesome. Number to 99, McCall Hardman for the Chiefs. Brown 57. Kenny Galladay, number to 99 for the Lions. Tibbs. We got a Cole Komet, number 299. Autographed the jersey going out to the Bears, Reyes. And then we have a Jalen Hurts. Number 2 of 2. Wow. Tibbs with that hit. Man, so far so good. Alright, let's do some place and patches. Okay. There we go. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness. We got another Herbert. I don't know if that's auto. That might just be the jersey card. Nice jersey card though. 39 of 50 going out to T-Shark. 4-color patch. Jumbo patch too. Oh, another serial number card coming up. No, it's a 9 spot. 9. T-Shark. That one. That's a good one too. Number 250. 50 of 50. T-Shark hits this Jalen Reagor. We got a Patriots and the Ravens. Jacob Tour, Ed Dogfather, Marquise Brown, Keneal Harry from Contenders. Play. And Rod Woodson, 1 of 10 for the Raiders. Chris Davis. Alright, Panini 1's up. There we go. Oh my God. It's another Justin Herbert. It's another Justin Herbert. Oh, shit. All right, who's praying? Quad patch 2, number to 10. 5 of 10. Anthony. Wow. Five of 10, Anthony. That's amazing. What an amazing mixer. Damn. And there we go. Let's do the randoms real quick. 3 people. We got 3 $10 credits too. Serial number 1. All right, let's do the random. Let's do the random for this one first. Raiders and Broncos. Tate, why didn't you buy the Chargers, Tate? Five times, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Broncos PC. All right, let's get the what's that plate? 3 Herberts in that break. And Jalen Hurts too. It's insane. Browns, the Ravens, I mean, and Pats. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2. The number to 25, so for 5,000. 3, 4, and 5. The Patriots. Going out to Jake Couture. Maybe 8K. Why didn't you buy the Chargers? And let's do the points. Alright. Empty, man. Wow. James got lucky tonight. We did, but... Oh, 5 times here. We'll do 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is going to be Tibbs. 400 points. There's the code. Alright, 3 people get $10 credit. Five times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Milkman, a serial number, and Chris Davis. So Milkman, $10 credit. Chris Davis, $10 credit. And then one of the serial numbers even gets $10 back. Okay, at least it was spread out. You know, those cards were spread out. Not one person there. I had all of them. Alright, here we go. Roll the dice. Roll again. We'll do this one 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lineman with 10. Yeah, you were in it the right. You were in the right filler. Just missed. All right, thank you guys. Let's do this recap real quick. Coco Matt autograph playbook. 400 points for Tibbs. We got a plate here. We got a dual jersey card. Rod Woodson, number 10. Jalen Rager, number 50. Nice Herbert patch. Namath, number 270. Jalen Hurts, number 2. Kenny Galladay, number 99. Did he go? I think he went to the right. McCall Hardman, number 99. Herbert RPA, number 75. And Bosa. Wow, what a break. What a break. Yeah. Take pictures of that. Alright, thank you guys.